Hi, and welcome to our channel. We do Bible and art lessons to help you forget not the Lord. In today's video, we're going to be melting crayons into a landscape, well, a flower landscape. More importantly, sunflowers. We'll be using a piece of canvas paper, crayon, and a hairdryer to melt our crayon. We are taking inspiration from Claude Monet and Vincent van Gogh, who also painted sunflowers while we're going to be melting sunflowers, I guess you could say. I'm going to begin by drawing a horizon line. Now, the horizon line is where the sky and the land meet, and it's going to go horizontal across your paper or your canvas. And that's going to separate our land and sky. I want to do a sunshine, like an early morning sun rising sky. So I'm going to keep my colors simple with just yellows and blues. And you'll see me blend those colors with my finger. You can also use a paintbrush if you want to. I'm going to smear that crayon to soften the colors against each other. So it'll just blend them. And if you're going to do the same thing, do so with caution, because the crayon is a little warm on the paper, similar to if you blew out a candle. Once I have my sky like I want it, I'm going to start moving forward from my horizon line closer to me, and that's going to be my foreground of my artwork. The sunflowers that are close to the horizon line are in the distance, and therefore they're going to be smaller. And as they move away from that line closer to you, they get bigger. So the ones in the distance will just be like dots. And we can take Claude Monet and Van Gogh's Impressionist period, and we can just give an impression of sunflowers in the distance. And then the ones that are up close, we'll take a little more time with in detail. But those will be the largest. We used to live on some land that we owned, and it was connected to about 400 acres of field, and every year they planted sunflowers in all that land. It was absolutely beautiful. I loved waking up to watch the sunflowers grow. Did you know that sunflowers are heliotropic? That's a big word, isn't it? That means that they follow the path of the sun. So their faces turn towards the sun and follow it from the morning that it rises up and until it sets. Every morning they raise those golden crowns and they follow the sun. Isn't that amazing? We could all take some inspiration from sunflowers by following God's Son, S-O-N, Jesus. That would make us sun followers. So raise your God-crowned head each morning and follow the sun. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and follow us for more Bible and art videos and lessons. And you can click in the description below to see the supplies that we used, or follow the link back to our membership where we create mini lessons. We have printables to help you forget not the Lord.